Imagine a world where money isn't controlled by banks or governments. A world where the concept of ownership and value transfer isn't tied to middlemen, borders, or complex financial systems. Where financial transactions are instant, regardless of where you are or who you're sending money to. Think about it. No need for a bank account, no dealing with bank hours, fees, or cumbersome paperwork. This is the promise of cryptocurrency, a revolutionary new form of digital money. It's not just a fantasy, it's happening right now, reshaping the very way we understand and interact with the financial world. Hi, welcome to my channel. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or someone simply curious about the future of money, you're in the right place. If you're interested in staying ahead of the curve on trends in cryptocurrencies, finance, and business innovation, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency and explore the future of finance together. How cryptocurrencies work. To understand cryptocurrencies, you need to understand blockchain technology. At its core, a blockchain is a distributed digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This ensures that all transactions are transparent and tamper-proof, making it nearly impossible to hack or alter the data once it's been added to the blockchain. When a cryptocurrency transaction occurs, it's broadcast to the entire network of computers, which work together to verify the transaction. These computers solve complex cryptographic puzzles to ensure the legitimacy of the transaction, a process known as mining in the case of Bitcoin. Once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain, where it becomes a permanent part of the public ledger.